Hi everybody, this is Florida Trailblazer, and I'm out here exploring deep in the wilderness at Flying Eagle Preserve, searching for an old homestead site. And I came across this area where an old road used to be. It's a little overgrown today, but I can see traces of it. I'm going to follow that for a while. Getting closer to the site, starting to see some orange trees around the area. There's an old fence post here. So on top of this hill up there is where the structure was, and I can see a chimney just up ahead. Made it back to this area where an old homestead site used to be. You can see remains of the foundation. This beautiful chimney here behind me. I'm not sure how old this site is, but I'm sure many memories were made here over the years. Let's take a look around, see what we can discover. It's a really nice chimney. A lot of bricks and other debris scattered around. See part of the wall here and the outline of the structure that once stood here. It's a view from behind the chimney. See the foundation right here. Just out here roaming around in the wilderness. Such a nice place. Really scenic. And I'm just seeing what I may be able to come across out here. Sometimes you can find some interesting things out in these places. Further back into the woods here, Came across another site where some remains are. A lot of stuff buried into the ground. Take a look at this. Some ruins here from what appears to have been a structure. See some blocks laying around, part of a foundation. Hiking through the woods, just came across this forest road. I'm gonna follow this for a while and see where it leads. Seeing some more remains around the area. All kinds of old trails and places to roam out here. So intriguing. I like to just follow these areas just to see what I can discover. In a sense, it's a way to get lost, get away from it all.